Yo guys, once again, we get another botted out Union to LA drop. It almost felt like a couple years ago when we got the Storm Blues and the Black Toes. It was impossible to get them, but on the flip side of today, I seen a lot of W's, like a lot of W's, which is kind of crazy. But we also seen a couple of people that literally botted the entire site, which is kind of crazy. We gotta talk about it, how this release went, what's the resale looking like, and the second chance we all are gonna get next month. So do not pay resale yet. Just wait, listen to your boy. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video from your boy, The Benches. Like I said, man, today we got the Union to LA Air Jordan 1. I'm back with the Chicago and the Shadow Upper, probably top two in my opinion. I'll probably put the Storm Blues, and I'll put the Black Toes, then these backs, and then the Black Toe. Oh, that's tough. It's tough. I don't know. It's a tough one right there. I ain't gonna rack and stack them right now, but you guys can let me know which order you put them in down below. And do not forget the ones that just dropped 2 years ago with the net going across the top. There's a lot of Union to LA drops, 4s, Jordan 1s. I think they even dropped some AJKOs, if I'm not mistaken, but it's a lot of heat they didn't drop with Jordan Brand over the last 5 or 6 years, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run the likes up. We got a lot to talk about, a lot of information, and kind of wrapping up this release of the Air Jordan 1. I'm back, you in the LAs, man. All right, guys, so first things first, like I said, we have a second chance at copying these. That's why I'm making this video right now. Do not pay resale. Just wait a little bit, just to kind of test the water, see how things is going, because we do have a second drop on the Nike sneakers app, and it's going to be on March the 18th. So if you ain't got no FOMO, if you can wait a couple of weeks for a second opportunity to get them, which is going to be some more stock on that drop, which is going to ultimately drop the resale value. So that's why I'm telling you guys, man, wait a little bit, hold your ducats, you know what I'm saying? Don't go crazy spending all your tax money, you feel me? Hold off just a little bit, because the resale is going to drop tremendously, and there's going to be more pairs out there for you to pick from. You might even get a W on the sneakers app. Let's not count that out, bro. Put that energy out in the atmosphere. You might get a huge dub on the Nike sneakers app. And again, man, March the 18th, it's going to be live. I cannot wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I took an L, you know what I'm saying? I hit on the Galaxy phone positive, so I'm not too sad about taking the L on these back Air Jordan 1 Union LAs. I want them in the collection. Definitely come into the collection. It's one of those top 10, top 11 ones anticipated for the year. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get my pair. But I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you how your release went. Did you get a W? Did you get an L? I'm talking about, I was scrolling on Instagram, all I seen was W after W after W, and it was good to see, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a selfish person. I take L's just like everybody else. People think I get W's on everything. It's not the case. 9 times out of 10, especially like a release like this, I'm paying that resale bread, man. But again, you guys seen how the release went. I'm gonna go ahead and check over on GOAT right now just to kind of see how the prices is looking. I did see that they were going for like $800, $900 a couple of weeks ago. Now they're currently going for only around $700 and $600 in my size. So I'm a size 9, 9.5, and it's ranging from the $600 to $700 price range. And of course, that price is going to drop even more when people actually start getting their pairs and beat the final boss from Union to LA's storage, wherever they keep the sneakers at. When those dubs go out, people gonna get them. People gonna start dumping their pairs up, because 9 times out of 10, nobody's gonna wear them, and they see that monetary value of that sneaker, and they're gonna sell it, bro. And people are going to be moving these pairs probably for a way cheaper price, because they don't know how much stock is out there. Like, I haven't seen much about the stock number, and we definitely heard nothing about the stock number on the upcoming March 18th release. So that's why I'm telling y'all, man, just hold fast, bro. Hold steady. Just wait a little bit longer. Trust me on this. I'm telling you, the resale will drop a lot more on these guys. You know what I'm saying? History repeats itself. History repeats itself. I wish we seen something like this for prior releases, where, you know, they give us it's a huge break. Like, we only in February, and we get another drop another 2.5 weeks later. Is a crazy stretch. It's a crazy little, you know, gap in between the releases. So people are gonna be like, damn, do I dump my pairs? Do I buy them now? And me personally, bro, I'm telling you, bro, I am going to wait. I am going to wait. Just like I waited to get my double up with the Galaxy phone posits. Oh, I think, damn, I wasn't supposed to tell you that, but y'all go see a double unboxing, because of course, man, I had a double up on them grills, and I still cannot believe I hit, man. Like seriously, I'm super excited, and I still don't even have my pair in hand. But yeah, you guys let me know how your release went. I seen a bunch of dubs, like I said. You guys hold off. It's definitely a pair that's gonna come to the collection. A top 10 release in my opinion. Up there with the Brick by Brick, Nigel Sylvester, the Black Metallics, the Arizona Full White Cements. It's a bunch of heat dropping. The 40th anniversary for Jordan Brand and Nike is going crazy, and they could not have executed this year any better. Unless they drop like some crazy stuff like the paranormal foam posits or something crazy. Like Nike in their bag this year, Jordan in their bag this year, and I am all here for it, man. But drop them comments down below. Let me know what you think about paying resale now. Should you wait? How the release went for you? I know it didn't go as expected for most of us, because if you scrolling right now, commenting, talking about you take an L, we in the same boat, and it didn't go well for us. But again, man, we have a second opportunity, March 18th. Hold your ducats. Don't buy now. Trust me, man. Trust your boy a little bit on this one. I appreciate all the support, man. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up. Every single like counts. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video. Good luck on this second shot we got coming up. And I'm gonna be right there on sneakers waiting for them guys, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Let me catch you in the next one, man. Peace.